Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you on how to live stream your screen record or your phone screen in Facebook or in YouTube. So first you have to install application. I'm going to use Camerafy Live and go to Play Store, search for Camerafy, and then install this application. After installing it, you have to open it first. And there. Wait. So you can choose if you're going to use your back camera for your live stream or your phone screen. So choose anything you want there. And then you can upload your live stream in YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Restream, or you can even screen record it like that. So I'm going to choose YouTube and press the YouTube button, and you can choose what email are you going to use. In my YouTube channel, I am using that email. So press OK and start. So after that, you find this live button, press that one, and there you can choose audio. You can set your audio for audio monitoring. Hello. So there. And you can even open your camera so while live streaming they can see your front cam. You can also mute your microphone and there. So if you want to change the title or the settings of your live stream, press this button, and there you can choose what YouTube channel are you going to use, the title of your broadcast, the description where you can put your description or hashtags, and you can set the privacy of your broadcast live stream, and the categories, tags, and more. So after that, press back and you press go, and then there you can see the choices there if you want it public or private or stream now, and you can choose the resolution of your broadcast or landscape or portrait. After that, you press create and allow, and there your broadcast or live stream is set. Before I end this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and press like and share this video if I helped you. That's all. Thank you.